With more than 6 decades of experience, Fermer Precision is highly recognized in machining high-precision, close-tolerance components for the automotive driveline, pump, compressor, valve, emission control devices, and firearm industries. Started in 1947 as a highly respected tool and die shop, Fermer Precision has evolved into one of the largest production CNC machining facilities in upstate New York. As an IATF 16949-2016 and ISO 9001-2015 certified facility, Fermer's versatility allows it to be a one-stop source for prototype runs, as well as for short and high production runs. Fermer Precision also holds a federal firearms manufacturing license. With more than 85 CNC state-of-the-art machines and its own in-house capabilities for building and maintaining all necessary fixtures and tooling, Fermer provides all of its customers exceptional value, enhanced quality, and superior machining productivity levels. Today, highly respected companies worldwide depend on Fermer Precision as Fermer continues to be the leader in the production of CNC machining.